Hey y'all, welcome to Cosmic Chick. I'm about to show y'all in this video how I did my nails like this, and you won't believe it, they are press on. So I am going to do a video just updating you guys on my pregnancy and stuff like that. But let's get into these nails for now. I do not know how I have went my entire life without this stuff, but it doesn't matter if I paint my nails or if I like do acrylics on them or if I just do like the press-ons. But this makes any thing that I do with my nails look that much better. So yeah, y'all get that. The Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. So it's very easy to use. You just take it and apply it around your cuticle and leave it on there for 15 seconds. And then you're going to want to push back the cuticle and just kind of like dig all that extra crust out and clean it up with like a towel or paper towel or something like that. And I use this little cuticle tool to push it back and dig the crust or whatever that is out of the nail. So these are the nails that I use. They are made by Kiss and they are the Gel Fantasy and the coffin or sculpted shape, I believe. So here's the kit and I'm going to show you guys what all comes in it. It's the nails, and then they give you this little nail glue. It's good, but if you want them to last longer, you can use a stronger nail adhesive. And it also comes with the wooden stick. I'm gonna show you that. That's the nail, super glossy. And then there's the file and the stick. So to make it quicker and easier when you begin to apply them, I like to find the sizes for both of my fingers before I begin. And most of the nail sets that are like these press on or glue ons, they actually are numbered. So once you find the number for one finger, you can just look for the other number to match. Unless you have like two different shaped fingers, and which then that's fine because you could use the number that you have and either go a number above or below to find one that's smaller, bigger. And when you're sizing the nail up on your natural nail, be sure that it covers it from side to side so that you don't have any extra nails showing. And if you do and you can't find a size that fits perfectly, you can always file a bigger size nail to the size of your nail bed. And this is what I mean by that. And since these are like this coffin stiletto shape, just be sure that you keep your shape when you're doing that. And to make sure that my nails are prepped correctly, I always like to drill them a little bit just so that the nail sticks better and lasts for a longer time. After that, it's time for the application. And you want to use a good size amount of glue, but not too much, because then when you press the nail on, it's going to drip on the edges and it's going to be all sticky. You're going to get your fingers all stuck and it's going to be a mess. So try not to use too much, but just the right amount. And then once you got your glue on there, you want to make sure it's spread evenly over the finger and press firmly on the nail. And then you just gonna repeat that until you got all 10 fingers done. And just like that, a full set. Yeah, rub me my money. I added a few rhinestones just to give it my own little look. I love these because I'm really not a huge nail person, but I do like to have nails on for special occasions. They're quick and easy to put on, and I can pop them off a few days after I've had them on. So you guys, let me know what you think about this video. Of course, subscribe, like, comment, all of that. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.